So I just came to the farm this morning and I realized that uh, some of the leaves of my pepper are coiling upward. And that's what I always say in my videos. You must pay attention to your plants and observe as well. So seeing this thing, I realized that we've been affected with thrips. So thrips are already affecting our pepper. So these are the signs, they are the things you see and you know that there is thrips in your farm. More so, it is important to prevent than allowing your young plants to be affected first. So you should not wait for this to happen before you start controlling or preventing these insects. So these are the signs you see in your pepper, and you will know that it is thrips that are affecting your pepper. Then you swing to action and start treatment. And you can treat thrips with neem oil, or you can also use abamectin or neem oil will help you control thrips in your farm. So when you see this sign in your pepper, just know that there is thrips that have been affected by thrips, and you swing to action. Use neem oil or abamectin.